What is up guys, welcome to my video. Today we're about to play Minecraft and I'm going to teach you how to make a cobblestone generator. So let's go. Let's get a water bucket and lava. Here you just need these two. You can do it on survival or creative, but creative don't need to. In creative you do not need to you do not need to get to make this cobblestone generator, because you have infinite tools. You can get netherite. So here this is a normal cobblestone generator, but I'm going to teach you how to make a great cobblestone generator. So you need 3. Let's make 4. Wait, guys. Let's get a log. To make a great one. See? Okay, and then you need to make this. I'm gonna experiment. I don't even know if this can work. It's insane. Wait guys, wait, I built it wrong. There, this is a great cobblestone generator. This can work literally so well. So you can build like this, or you can make something that is absolutely fire. But I don't even know how to make a greater one, but I don't care. So guys, this is how you make a cobblestone generator there. So bye guys.